Hey guys, it's Kim, Angel Dream Crafts, and I'm here to share with you the Marie Antoinette kit from Gracie's place, and that is the lovely Marilou. Hey Marilou! My dear, sweet, crafty bestie Siobhan sent me this kit in some happy mail, which is one video back from this one. And I didn't open it on camera then because I wanted to take the time and open it and show you guys everything that was in it. And I'm going to have the links to Marilou's channel in the description box below this one for you guys. And so you got to go over and see what she does. She makes the most beautiful kits in her store, and they're incredibly reasonably priced. And she's just a lovely, lovely, sweet lady from Ireland. So please go over and support her store and her channel. And I'm going to open this kit. I'm very excited. Siobhan spoiled me and got me this kit for a gift. And it comes like this, wrapped beautifully. And then it's got this lovely piece of pink lace that was tied in a bow. And I'm sure you can use that in your kit as well. And here it says Gracie's Place, Unique Little Gifts, Handmade with Love by Marilou McAleys. Marilou McAleys at aol.co.uk. That's what the little tag says. So I'm sure you can email her if you have questions about this kit or anything else about her beautiful kits. So let's open this up. Let me try and get that off of there. Sorry for the crinkling, guys. There we go. And we'll slide everything out. Okay. I'm so excited about this kit. I have wanted one of Marilou's kits for quite a while. Look at it, even says, there's a little note here. It says, mind your fingers as there is a pin in this. So thank you for that. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. So we'll start with what was on top, which was this piece here. And everything is so beautifully presented and wrapped. Just absolutely gorgeous. And I've seen this kit, but oh my goodness, I'm so excited I have one. So in here, oh my gosh. Oh, I love this. Look at, it's got, I really want to show you all her beautiful hand crocheted work. In this little bag there is some pearl trim. Let's show that first. Here, never have too much of that. I love pearl trim, and I love this. It's white, so you can use it on anything. It'll go with anything. Love it. And then we've got, look at the beautiful handmade flower with the pearl center. Absolutely gorgeous, in a soft peachy pink. Your crochet work is beautiful, Marilou. And then in this package here, let me just set that aside. So we'll see what's in here first. She's got these beautiful, look at these roses. Oh, and they're so sparkly. Look at, super sparkly. I hope the camera will pick up the sparkle on there. I love these. These are beautiful die cuts. Thank you. Gorgeous. Oh, and then here is some beautiful tags. Oh, these are beautiful. Look at these. All Marie Antoinette. Love that. Probably right there would be good. That one. Oh, wow. I love these. And they're so clear and well printed. Beautiful cardstock as well. Love the colors. Oh, these are beautiful, Marilou. Thank you so much. These are gorgeous. I love these. They're really beautiful. Oh, I can't wait to play with this kit. I'm so excited. And then it's got a gorgeous tag here. Look at this. And she's crocheted, such a great idea. She's crocheted the tie for the top of the tag. Look at this beautiful, beautiful tag of Marie. Again, it's on super thick cardstock. Very sturdy. Love it. Very good quality. And then some paper doilies to play with. Beautiful paper doilies. And then, oh, look at this beautiful postcard here. Oh, the ideas are just coming to me already because I'm so inspired by this kit. And then here is some beautiful mint green lace. I don't know if I'm going to take that out or not. Maybe I will. Let's see here. If Kim can figure out how to open it. There we go. I love that you have a little note on here, Marilou. Oh, this is pretty lace. I love mint green. Look at this. And look at the little pin. Look at that beautiful color, and you can make a little stick pin with that pin. Absolutely gorgeous. So that was the first little packet. So let's just kind of stack that neatly over here. Love that. And then this package has, maybe we'll do that last. Oh, you've got a bag here as well. Beautiful bag to alter. I love that. It's gorgeous. It's wax lined too. This is a beautiful bag. Love that. In a beautiful lemon yellow color. And then we've got more paper here. Oh my goodness, look at this paper. We'll look at this next. It's very exciting. Oh wow, look at this, you guys. Oh, look at this paper. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at this one. It's got all these tiny little Marie cameos here. Look at this. Oh, I love it. That is so beautiful. Love this. These are gorgeous. Oh, look at the crowns. Every time I see a crown, I think of Olivia. Hey, Olivia. Oh, look, and the fleur-de-lis. Oh my gosh. Oh, and look at the beautiful roses. Oh my gosh, these papers are amazing, Marilou. I love these. Absolutely gorgeous. I don't know which page I like the best. These are beautiful. Absolutely stunning and gorgeous. Thank you so much. Oh, I cannot wait to play with this kit. Oh my gosh, this looks amazing too. Wow. Okay, where's the opening? There we go. Look at this, you guys. More of her beautiful hand crocheted piece right there. She's crocheted all around the edge of this. Absolutely beautiful. Again, beautiful quality cardstock. Absolutely gorgeous. Love that. And OMG, look at this lace. And it's a full yard. Oh my gosh, Marilou, this is absolutely stunning. Look at this, you guys. Oh, wow. It's got texture on it. It's got the satin stitching on the roses. This is so beautiful. Really good quality lace. Oh my goodness, that is beautiful, Marilou. And it's the softest petal pink. Oh, I love it. I really, really love it. I hope that the camera is going to pick that up properly. Let's try this. There we go. How's that? There you can see. Isn't it beautiful? I love the satin stitching. It's so pretty. Absolutely gorgeous yard of lace there. Just stunning. That is beautiful. I've never seen this lace before either, and I've seen a lot of lace, but I have not seen this one. That's beautiful. Wow. And then you also get this bag of embellishments as well. So let me just put this aside, and maybe we'll put them here on top of this. And so beautifully presented, like I said. Everything is in all these gorgeous little individual bags, separated, just beautiful. So you get this gorgeous butterfly applique. And then there's another one of her beautiful little crocheted hearts. There is another butterfly applique there. There is 3 beautiful pink ribbon roses in a beautiful soft pink color. And then there is doodad flowers in pink and white, 2 white and 1 pink. And then there's the beautiful crown, and then 2 beautiful pearl bows. Love those. Oh my gosh, this is an amazing kit, you guys. You've got to go over and check out Marilou's store and get one for yourself. But like I said, she has lots of beautiful kits in her shop. I'm really eyeing the Peter Rabbit one, so that might be on my list next. But thank you, my dear friend Siobhan, for hooking me up with this kit. You are just the best, and this kit I love. It's so, so beautiful, you guys. You've got to go get one for yourselves. I cannot wait to play with this. Marilou's work is just gorgeous quality, really beautiful quality. The crochet work is just incredible. My gosh. I'm a crocheter, and I can tell you that this is very well done. Very, very well done. Beautiful crochet work, and how wonderful to have handmade things like this in a kit. So please go over and check it out. The link for Marilou's channel is in the description box. So please go over and sub and support her, and check out all the kits she's got. She's got videos on her other kits as well, so you'll see those when you go over there. Thank you, Marilou, and thank you, Siobhan. Mwah. And I will be back soon with another video, guys. Take care. Bye.